'cause I love you. Where did my hook go? Do you want me to do it? Drive me up to the front area. I guess I'll have to people today. Oh, what happened to you, Mr. Yarn? Oh. Smart. What am I swinging? Why is it so rocky? Anyways, I'm gonna go get medicine for my mother. Yep. It was nice. The pharmacist knew I was crocheting. She asked me what I was making. I guess that you knew I was crocheting because most people assume I'm knitting. And she's like, yeah, my niece, well, she's 10 and she learned to crochet. And I was like, excuse me?
She subscribed to this one channel, Hook That Yarn.
Are we going back home?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Just enjoying their little doggy lives. They're so cute. Oh my god. They're little corgis. Well, that was my day 10. I peopled and everything. See you on the next one.